regulations require customers to be seated with seatbelts fastened at all times when the seatbelt sign is turned on. We do assure you our captain will turn the seatbelt sign off as soon as he feels it is safe for you to move about the cabin. Lavatory strictly prohibited use at all times when our seatbelt sign is turned on. We do assure you the captain will turn the seatbelt sign off as soon as he feels it is safe for you to move about the cabin. Once the sign has been turned off and you are able to move about and utilize our lavatory facilities, for our customers in the main cabin, there are 3 lavatories in the back of the airplane, 2 in the extreme rear of the aircraft, and 1 right near the forward door you enter through. Your ticket in our front cabin, rows 1 through 6, 1 lavatory in the front of the airplane. To adhere to United Airlines security safety policy regarding the front of our aircraft, please use the lavatories in your ticketed cabins. You'll find located in the seat pocket in front of you a copy of United Hemispheres and Skywell magazines. These magazines are complimentary of United Airlines. We invite you to take them with you. You'll also find complimentary headsets for use of audio-visual programs. Please replace the headsets when finished using them. When it's safe for our flight attendants to be up and about in the main cabin, we offer complimentary beverages consisting of assortment of soft drinks, juices, freshly brewed coffee, cocktails, beer, and wine are available for purchase. We also have available from purchase snack boxes, a la carte items, and some dinner lunch items. You can find these items located in the choice menu section in the back of our Hemispheres magazine. We accept credit and debit card only for all purchased items. Beverage selections as well can be found in the choice menu section. Electronic devices need to remain turned off until you've heard the 2 chimes followed by an announcement. We now invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy our flight.